Here's what we have as far as photos sent in. This was a nice ending to today. Susan Humphreys, Terracea, that's in Palmetto. Again, beautiful shot right there in Terracea. And yet another one, another gorgeous shot. Marina Jack, Cindy getting this one. Cindy always sending some nice photos in. Appreciate that. And I posted these on our Facebook page as well. You want to check those out if you miss them. Sam getting this one from Sarasota Bay. And last but not least, this is Art Conforti down south of our viewing area. Again, I think it's just off Sanibel somewhere, but nice shot there, Art. A good day today, not much rainfall here. A lot of rain across central Florida along the east coast, but not much here going on at all. And it stays quiet too, it looks like, as a result of a high pressure at the surface. This upper level low has been kind of an outsider, an outplayer as far as that goes. Once in a while, it does send some energy to Florida. It will do so again tomorrow, but I think it'll be far enough north it shouldn't be a big factor. Some showers still lingering here down south near the Keys, but all in all, we are going to look at a pleasant evening, pleasant night, I should say, and then another nice day tomorrow. We are looking for the showers, though. You can see 9 a.m. It does indicate some rainfall, but mainly north of our area. Doesn't take much, though, to slip a little bit further south, so I'm going to keep a slight chance for a morning shower along the coast. And then if we see anything developing in the afternoon, it should be along the sea breeze front and then have a tendency to push off to the east. Now, this model, which was just updated within the last hour, is showing a little bit more activity around with some of these storms, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. The rain chance tomorrow, not all that high, at around 20%, but looking at that model, they may jump up a little bit more, so there could be a little bit more of a push and convergence set up along parts of the area just to the east of the interstate. Get a look at this. This is their first storm of the season, and it's a Category 4 hurricane in the Pacific. Now, it's not having an impact on any land right now, but boy, that's a pretty big storm for being the first one. Now, as far as we're concerned, this little trough in the jet stream, little disturbance down here, could eventually develop a little low pressure area that would scoot out over the Yucatan and head into the Gulf of Mexico. So the couple of models that are showing it are the GFS and the Canadian as of late. Now, here's a look at Friday, June 15th. Now, if we take you back in time, basically it was moving across the Yucatan, then into the Gulf, and then toward Texas and Louisiana. It had been off to the Panhandle just a couple of days ago. So that's a good sign for us here. It looks as though it will continue on that northwesterly course and should stay well to the west of us. Now, that's because we are anticipating a little bit of a high pressure ridge building east of the state, a little stronger than usual, which should keep the system away from us. But there's a long, long way to go, and anything can happen with these tropical systems this far out. So we'll keep an eye on it for you nonetheless, and anything can happen with my computer too. It's kind of slowing down right now. 75 degrees, and we have clear skies. It's a nice night. East wind at 5. That always brings the humidity down. 84%, the pressure 3015, and that, by the way, is rising. 3015 is high, and that means a nice weekend ahead. 84 our high today, a little bit below average. 71 was the morning low. That too pretty close to our average. For boaters, finally getting to the boating forecast. Seas 2 feet or less with a light chop on the bays and inland waters. That should be the same on Sunday, by the way. We're looking for nice weather on Sunday as well for boaters. Well, the extended forecast, a 30% chance for scattered showers on Sunday. Once again, we could see a few morning coastal showers. 20% for a few coastal showers tomorrow morning. And then 40% chances on Monday and Tuesday. They bump up a little bit, increased moisture coming back into play. And then it looks like this had been higher just a couple days ago, depending upon the movement of that tropical system or not tropical system, but it's still going to be at 40% for a few showers on Thursday and Friday. Adam?
All right, thank you, Bob.